boys. I'm gonna be doing a little market recap. No trades for me again, so yeah. I'll do a little analysis here. So coming into the day, I saw this previous day high. We had London lows here, Asia lows here. Same thing on ES here. We had previous day high, London lows, and Asia lows. Sorry. So all these things. This is also previous day low, Asia and previous day. So these are also all 4-hour levels of liquidity. And I told myself pre-market, I said, if none of these levels are swept, I'm not trading. And I stuck to my model, stuck to my rules, didn't trade because none of those levels were swept, right? Also on the daily, I was pretty bearish just because I was pretty bullish because we were still drawing towards this daily high here on ES. So that was my overall bias. But anyway, on the hourly time frame, we were like this was AM, right? Literally this, bro. Asia and London look cleaner on the hourly than this AM session. But anyway, since we were chopping, I already had less conviction to take a trade. So we did generate this hourly sell side here, but this hourly sell side that we created here is, to me, extremely low resistance, and basically to me it has the same significance as a 15-minute low, because it's such a low resistance low that we generated here. It's not powerful to me. This is not like significant low. Like this, London lows is more of an external draw. Same with Asia. So reacting off of a internal low resistance low like this isn't it's just not kind of what I like to play off of. It doesn't give me enough confidence in my trading because of how low resistance it is. It does not hold as high power as London lows would, or Asia lows, or previous day lows, previous day highs. So I really just needed to, for me to have enough confidence, I needed to see previous day highs taken, London lows, or previous day lows / Asia lows taken to take a trade. But none of those were taken. So I can understand how you would take a trade here. Just for me, I don't have enough confidence. We had accumulation here, manipulation, sweeping, 15-minute lows, then distribution. The reason I said 15-minute is because this to me does not count as hourly, because it's so insignificant. Like, I would relate the significance to a 15-minute. That's just how it is for me. But you did get also. I don't like to see this barcode action right here. Like, price action was just not looking the greatest. So I was just noticing market conditions, and I kind of just want to step away. But we had we had some bullish displacement out of the sweep, and then we had our 5-minute retrace followed by more displacement. Right, could have scaled down to the 1 minute. And then I would have taken it after, so I would have seen this as the displacement above this little high, creating market structure shift, telling me that we're no longer bearish, and then tapped into this imbalance, gave a bullish candle out. So right there, right, targeting data highs because that's a strong draw. That would have been the trade I took. Probably would have banked, but again, no confidence because this was at 10:35. Two, this price action doesn't look the greatest for me, like this. But it was confusing today. I can't lie. I was low-key just literally just chilling, bro. Like, I wasn't like focused. I wasn't as focused as I wanted to be. I was just chilling, waiting for one of these highs to get taken. Kept peeping the charts because I was in class, so I literally couldn't really be extremely focused today. Well, that's pretty much most days. It's because I'm in class, but I was just slacking a little bit. I was just like, I wasn't really paying attention. I was just literally peeping the charts, to see if one of these highs were taken or lows, and I just kept seeing that we're moving slow and not sweeping anything. Which, since I was only focusing on these levels, didn't even notice this hourly low created because I was just focusing on saving one of these levels. So it is what it is. I wouldn't have taken this trade even if I saw it. I don't think so, because I mean, it's just not enough conviction. This internal low, when we have, you know, when we're shipping an internal low here and we have London lows right here, I'm like, okay, well, if we really do want to push the previous day high, I would expect us to sweep previous. If we want to push the previous day high, I would expect us to sweep some London low. I'm sure price, because I was like, okay, well, if we're pushing down here, at this point, I was like, okay, if we're pushing all the way down here, I'm expecting us to be drawn towards London lows to then reverse off and take some sort of buy side. So this is like, if I did take this, it would be a very mid setup for me. Bad price action, mid timing. The only thing that has given me some other conviction is just this accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Right? It's a little bit of it. We have a lot of accumulation. Manipulation isn't as strong as I would like, but it's still manipulation, and then distribution. So, like, it's not the worst. Just nothing I don't think I would take. We also had, like, what was it? Yeah, we had like hourly equilibrium being filled. So, and we also had this hourly value gap. So it was just this liquidity sweep wasn't enough for me. Right? I would have liked to seen this high taken or London lows taken with some displacement, right? Because also, if we took London lows, we would also be in the discount price range. Another confluence. So that is kind of what I was looking for. This, like, meh, like, not my favorite. Like, I don't like to treat literally, like, alright, let me just show you guys, like, this is why I didn't have confidence. Look at this. Just look at these 4 candles here, okay? On the hourly. It's not the prettiest, right? This is not the prettiest. This, all this is much better than this. So, you know, price wasn't the greatest, so didn't trade. You know, I'm honestly just, I'm annoyed because, like, I haven't traded all week, right? Or it's only been 2 days, what am I saying? But I just haven't traded, and I on Friday I had a break-even day, and it was an annoying break-even day because I got greedy. So I'm just like annoyed because I wish I took this trade because it banked, right? But also, I'm fine that I didn't take the trade because that's just not what I like to do. This is just not really how I like to trade. I do trade off liquidity sweeps. This to me is just too low resistance. I keep saying the same thing over and over again, so I'm gonna end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Unfortunate day for me. Yeah, I don't know. I really don't know why I didn't even notice that though. Like, I wouldn't have probably taken it, but I'm surprised. I kind of just completely overlooked everything else. I was blind. Like, I wasn't able to perceive everything the market was telling me because, I don't know why. That's the thing. I just have to be able to perceive and let the market tell me what it's doing instead of me expecting the market to do certain things. Something I'm picking up on, right? I have to be in the zone. I gotta be able to perceive market information in unpainful ways. And once I can perceive, once I can understand the reality of trading, and the reality of trading is just that you're gonna lose. And so once you can understand the realities of trading, then you'll stop viewing the market in painful ways. And once you stop viewing the market in painful ways, you will be able to access all the information you know about the market. But anyway, let's meet at the end of the video, guys. Market recap for Tuesday. So yeah, that's it, boys.